Ever wondered how that simple, humble nut becomes the world's most addictive snack? Welcome to the heart of the operation. I'm taking you deep inside one of the most advanced peanut facilities on the planet to see how we turn raw, earth-covered legumes into golden, crunchy perfection. If you love seeing how the world is made, hit that subscribe button right now and join our factory tour community. Take a look at this ton after ton of raw peanuts arriving straight from the fields. It looks a bit messy now with all those twigs and soil, but watch how this massive cleaning system breathes life into the batch. It's like a giant spa for peanuts. Those vibrating screens and high-pressure air jets are working non-stop to strip away the debris until only the cleanest, heaviest nuts remain. Now, we're heading into the cracking zone. This machinery is incredibly precise. It's designed to snap that outer shell wide open without even bruising the delicate kernel inside. And once they're out, they don't just go anywhere. These digital optical sorters are the real MVPs here. They're scanning every single peanut with laser precision, ejecting any imposter that doesn't meet our color and quality standards in the blink of an eye. Can you smell that? That's the magic happening inside these continuous roasting ovens. We aren't just heating them, we're developing flavor profiles through strict temperature control. Once they emerge golden brown, they get a quick wardrobe change, removing that thin red skin before heading into the seasoning drums. It's a beautiful sight seeing them tumble through a fine mist of oil and a flurry of sea salt. Before these hit the bags, they pass through one final gauntlet of metal detectors and moisture sensors, because, in this factory, good enough isn't an option. Watching the high-speed packaging line is almost hypnotic nitrogen, flushing each bag for that signature pop of freshness when you open it. From robotic arms palletizing the crates to the trucks headed for your local supermarket, it's a seamless symphony of engineering. Seriously, if you could only pick one snack for the rest of your life, would it be these roasted peanuts? Type number peanut in the comments if you're a fan. Don't forget to like this video and stay tuned for our next deep dive into the world's most fascinating factory systems. See you at the next stop.
Delivery for the peanuts order. Everything is accounted for on the manifest.
Perfect, just sign here and we'll start unloading.
These are the best peanuts ever. I love the salty crunch.
Here, have some more, Mija.
Careful you don't eat them all before dinner. Go on, try it.
He loves them.
These are so good. I needed this break. Don't eat them all before the movie starts.
From our fields to your plate, the unforgettable journey of premium roasted peanuts.
Quality and freshness, uncompromised.